Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please open your material. Yesterday, GRIR clearing account we created, right? Go to FS00. GRIR clearing account created. Next, price difference account. Create under expenses account. Note down 400 530. Price difference account. Control data tab. Please note down G003. Check post automatically only. So I need to give cost element accounting. We need to create. So meanwhile, I'm not selecting anything. Okay, price difference account we have created. Now number ranges. Number ranges FB and 1. So we have many times we used this T code. Please remember. Okay. Click on change intervals. Insert series 49 goods issue. If you want OBY7, prior to that OBY7, go to OBY7 also. Same, right? OBY7, before creating number ranges, we can observe what is WA. Okay, what is WA? Document type. Goods issue. Goods issue, same, right? So double click on it. So number range got changed. Now 47, please update as a 47. Click on number range. In your material also, please update. Change intervals, insert number range 47. It is system by default nowadays. System by default has given. Okay. Now identify any number range without overlapping. Okay, without overlapping. 80. Okay, 7 series. How many times? 7 one time. 2 times is there. 3 series. How many times? 1 time. Only 1 series. Okay, already we used double line, so it will overlap. 4 6 1 time, 2 times, 3 times we have given. 5 1 time, but already we have given 999. See, we did not use this one. What I'll do, I'll make it zeros. Now we can use 5 series. Here 5 already it is there, right? So 100. I'll give 100 to 199. We'll see already But GS we are not using, right? Anywhere we did not use 500 100 500 199. Just I'm deleting because you are not testing purpose. Mhm. It's not allowing us. We'll try once again. Five double zero 100 system not allowing. Mhm. So we'll try another series. Or already 6 series we are using. 8 series, how many times? 8 series. Okay, 8 series we'll try. 8 1 double zero double zero 8 1 double nine double nine. So it is accepting. So please note down. Noted, right? So now this series will use this 5 series. Better I'll delete. I'll try to delete. You can delete also, say deleted. Okay. Next, go back. Yes, click on save. Go back. What is next? Earlier WA we have created, right? Next is WE goods receipt. Yeah, see here only it is there. Double click on it. 50 number series, okay. Insert. We have 5 series, right? So better we'll use now 5 series. $99. Now it is allowing, right? See, you can see save. We have created 47, 50. We have created. Once again, go back. What is next? RE, invoice receipt. Invoice receipt. RE. Click on position. Invoice receipt 51. Okay, 51. Click on number range. GSIN. Change intervals. Insert 51. So 5 series we have till 99, right? So I'll give 199. Enter. System is allowing, right? Click on save. Okay, number ranges we have created. So the next important step and interview step. Please remember, important step, interview step. Without in client round also, in main interview also, definitely this question will ask. Assignment of accounts for automatic posting. Or else they will ask what is OBYC screen. Please remember this one, very important for interview. Assignment of accounts for automatic posting, T code OBYC. OBYC. Go to your SAP OBYC. Click on enter. Okay. In OBYC. So what is OBYC? So till we have created the required GL accounts and assign automatically. So even I have given in your material, please open your SAP FICO notes. Actually, it is everything, it is available in this material. Even CO also I updated. So important question, it's interview question. See, they may ask account determination object, transaction or event key, FIMM integration scenario also. So the important ways also I have given. So this here I have given, right, the automatic transactions, everything is important here. The account determination object based on account symbols for interest calculation, transaction discounts, TDS, account determination keys, asset postings. So asset postings also important, I told you, right? The same way transaction or event key for FIMM integration, account key for FISD integration. Okay, event key, please remember in this configuration you can observe. Now, so go to your FIMM integration. So CO also, see everything, it is there in this material only. Data controlling this one. See OBYC. This theory also please read it. Now transaction or event keys for used in FIMM integration. In our example, we are using the following three transaction or event keys. Transaction or event keys, BSX for inventory posting. Already we have created based on, see, in our configuration, based on our requirement. I mean, the number range availability, I have created the number ranges. Please observe in FS00 in previous steps we have created. Here we have created, right, all GRIR account inventory, the same I have updated here. BXF for inventory posting, the same way you observe in BSX inventory posting. See, observe, double click on GSIN. Please note down here. Please note down chart of accounts. Click, double click on it. Noted, right? Select valuation class. Select valuation class. Click on save. So what is our inventory account? So please raw material 3000. Note down which one we have created for inventory. In under assets, right, we have created inventory 200, same GL we have created 200125. Copy and assignment. This step you have to remember in your mind, because whenever they ask, okay, about OBYC account determination for this FIMM integration, definitely you should remember this step. BSX for inventory valuation, you need to select the whichever required, the GL account, inventory GL account, assignment. Okay, next click on save. First BXX for inventory, Assignment of accounts for automatic posting, OBYC T code. You remember it. Okay, please remember this T code. OBYC. That terminology BSX also. BSX also you please remember for inventory posting. Next, WRX. So what is WRX terminology? Go to your material, WRX for GRIR clearing account. This one also you need to remember. Okay, go to WRX. Double click on, see, you can observe, read it. GRIR clearing account. Double click on WRX, important for interview. Okay, WRX for GRIR clearing account. So in our scenario, I have created different GL clear based on availability expenses, right? 5 double GRIR clearing account under liability. Same 100 520. Okay, same this one also. Save, copy, go to WRX, select valuation class, save. Okay, what is your valuation? Drop down, GRIR clearing account, GRIR clearing account for, okay, this one let it be. We'll see valuation account key 100 520. Click on save. Okay, go back. Go back. Now next. Next GBB. This one also you need to remember. GBB for offsetting entry for inventory posting, raw material consumption account. Okay, GBB. Go to GBB. Offsetting entry for inventory posting. Please read it. This transaction, double click on GBB. Valuation modifier, general modification select. Valuation modifier, general modification and valuation class. Please select. Click on save. Okay, what is valuation modification? Drop down. System will not allow. Okay, I am giving 0001. General modifier. System is not allowing. VBR. Valuation class. Okay, this one it's allowing. 3000. Please note down what is the account we have created. So our GL account is different, right? Here. What is our GL? Raw material consumption account. So our GL account is under expenses, right? Raw material consumption. 400 520. Account I have given based on our availability number range. Okay. Click on save. Okay. Noted, right? This one. So till now, customization part completed, but in FIMM integration, OBYC screen is very important. You need to remember OBYC. Okay, this GBB, this codes compulsory. You need to remember. BSX for inventory posting, WRX for GRIR clearing account, GBB for offsetting entry for inventory posting. The required GL accounts you have created and assigned to the transaction or event keys in OBYC screen. So please read it. Rules screens. So rules screen in account assignment, very important. I already updated. In this screen, we maintain rules for account assignment. In this screen, we maintain rules for account assignments. Rules are the criteria basing on which system shall determine the GL account in which automatic postings are to be created. Example, in T code OBYC for transaction BSX, we find the following two possible rules: valuation modifier, valuation grouping code, second valuation class. In this case, we need to select these rules basing on whether we have to assign account on the basis of valuation grouping codes. If two or more valuation grouping codes are used, we need to select this option because GL accounts are to be assigned for each valuation grouping code. We have to assign accounts on this basis of valuation classes. If two or more valuation classes are used, we need to select this option because GL accounts are to be assigned to each valuation class. Important, same logic applies to every rule. If account assignment is required for every possible rule value, we have to select the rule. If the rule value is irrelevant for account assignment, we don't have to select the rule. Better one by one, please read it. We have sufficient time, read one by one from here onwards. Please read it. Geeta, please read from here.
Okay. Rule screen in account assignment. In this screen, we maintain rules of account assignment. Rules are the criteria based on which system shall determine the GL account in which automatic postings are to be created. Example, in T code OBYC for transaction BSX, we find the following two possible rules. Valuation modifier, valuation grouping code. Valuation classes. In this case, we need to select these rules basing on whether we have to assign accounts on the basis of valuation grouping codes. If two or more valuation grouping codes are used, we need to select this option because GL accounts are to be assigned for each valuation grouping code. We have to assign accounts on the basis of valuation classes. If two or more valuation classes are used, we need to select this option because GL accounts are to be assigned for each valuation classes. Important. Some logic appliances to
Same
every
logic. Same logic.
Same logic applies to every rule. If account assessment is required for every possible rule value, we have to select the rule. If the rule value is irrelative for account assessment, we don't have to select the rule. Note on rule and rule values. Whether valuation classes should appear on our screen or not in account assessment screen is called rule, and valuation classes like 3000 raw material and 7920 finished goods are called rule values. This also, sir. Rule
Continue.
screens for
Continue. Important.
Rule screen for WRX transaction. Event key for GRIR clearing account. In case of GRIR clearing account also, we need to take a decision on whether to select valuation modifier and valuation class options. As we have only one valuation grouping code, we do not have to select valuation modifier VGC option in our case. In case of valuation classes, technically speaking, we need to select this option because we use several valuation classes in our company code. But GRIR clearing accounts is like a suspension account. We do not
Suspense.
have to
Suspense account.
suspend. Yes. We do not have to maintain separate GRIR clearing accounts for different material types. We use only one GRIR clearing account for all types of materials, that is raw materials, semi-finished goods, consumables, spares, etc. So we do not have to select this option also in our case. Account assessment for GBB, offsetting entries for inventory posting. Receipt of materials increases stock balances. Transactions like consumption, scrapping, and returns, etc. offset the balance in inventory account. In case of GBB, we need a further breakdown of transaction inventory GBB into various subkeys. Because entries are to be created in respective GL accounts, that is consumption transaction in consumption accounts, scrapping transaction in scrapping accounts, etc. We use account modifiers, general modifiers in this case to understand what exactly is the nature of the offsetting transaction and also to identify the current account in which automatic postings are to be created. Examples for account modifier: VBR, consumption, VNG, scrapping, etc. Movement type. Movement type helps the system to understand the nature of the good movement. Goods movement. Example 201. Consumption for cost center from warehouse. 251. Consumption for sale from warehouse.
Okay. So this is very important. That is reason. Okay, you can mute Geeta. Thank you. So this is everything is very important. Even in interview, definite question. Without this question, OBYC screen, interview won't be there. Okay, many times, most of the times, this question will come. Okay, about OBYC screen. I'll note down this T code also. OBYC, definite question. This one, interview. Okay, till now the customization part completed. Okay, the configuration step completed here. Okay, next step, go to next step, FAMM integration. Okay, creation of purchase order. So till here, just try to understand easy access screen. So the end user role, ME21N, creation of purchase order. Go to ME21N. So whatever you have done the customization part will reflect here because the end user job from here. Okay, select your purchase organization from first vendor. Select latest vendor, which one we created, Ajay, right? Click on OK. So from here, we need to give all the required details. Now vendor number we have given, noted, note down, purchase organization. Purchase organization. What is our purchase organization? GS IN. Purchasing group. Purchasing group. GS, right? We have given GE. Which group we have created? Please open. Please tell me. Which group we are using? Geeta, Pooja, please let me know. Can you please anyone confirm purchasing? Please go back, please, and check and let me know. Purchasing group. So raw material, please tell me. I told you to note down, right? What is our raw material? Hello, raw material. I told you to note down, right? In earlier class, we have created a raw material.
4005 is real accounts.
Raw material we have created in previous class. We have created a material. RM or GS something we have created. Or in MM01, in MM01 we have created a raw material. I'll check it. In MM03 we can check it. See in this step we have created MM01. I'm checking. Okay, let me check in MM03 material. The same list of details. I hope it will appear here. Okay, no problem. I hope space RMGSIN. Enter RMGSIN. Basic data MRP 1, 2, 3, costing 1, costing 2. See here material name it is appearing RMGSIN. RMGSIN. Okay, PO quantity give 1000. Raw material purchase. Okay, delivery date. Delivery date. Better will give today's date. Net price 100. currency, INR, plant. What is our plant? Starts with GS, right? Plant name GS1. Okay. Storage location. What is our storage location? I hope your integration 4-5 pages only. You need to, if you are all noted, just immediately please, you need to tell. Starts with GSIN, right? This is storage location. GSIN, storage location. Please open storage. What is storage location? That is reason actually I have given GSIN the same way to avoid any. Yeah, I have
GS1, sir.
GS1, right?
GSIN only, sir.
GS
GSIN only, sir. Storage location.
GSI
IN. N. Mm.
1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next. So if it is about to end our session, but if we are missing, tomorrow we'll create, but meanwhile we will try to create it. Please let me know next. Material quantity, net price we have given, plant storage location till we have given. Please note down till here.